Next is intellectual revolution in Europe. Due to the changes during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from the medieval to modern age. Intellectual revolution took place in the same period. The society started stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith. The pre-established customs and traditions came to be seen from critical points of view. All these changes are addressed as intellectual revolution, which gave further momentum to the scientific discoveries in Europe. In intellectual revolution in Europe, the society was stepping out of blind faith and past ignorance due to the Renaissance. Okay. And the traditional knowledge, blind faith, and the age-old customs and the tradition were challenged. They were seen from a critical point of view. Okay, and these changes are known as intellectual revolution. Next, we saw here revolution in political sphere. In the early stage of beginning of modern period in Europe, many political changes took place due to the various revolutionary events during the 18th as well as 19th century. This period is known as the Age of Revolution. Okay, the period between 18th and 19th century, that is known as Age of Revolution. Why? Because there is a various revolutionary events. During this period, there was a development of parliamentary democracy in England. There was a change in the form of cabinet system. The Bill of Rights 1689 laid limitations on the power of king. The Bill of Rights 1688, they laid the limitations on the power of king. The sovereignty of parliament was established. During this period, what happened? There is the development of parliamentary democracy in England. Okay, and there is a change in the form of cabinet system. The Bill of Rights 1689, there is a limitation. They put on limitation on the power of king, and the sovereignty of parliament was established. Next, we see American War of Independence. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, it is equally important to think about the American War of Independence. With the discovery of America, the European countries turned their attention toward this continent. The imperialist means Samrajyavad. European countries took control of different regions of America and established their colonies. England established 13 colonies on the east coast of America. They put 13 colonies. They established 13 colonies where the east coast of America. Initially, England had nominal domination over this colony, but later English Parliament laid oppressive restriction and taxes on these American colonies. The people in America revolted against it. The people are against for it. England declared war to suppress this colony. England declared for war about their England declared war to suppress this colony. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington. Who is the leader? George Washington. And finally won against England. This event is known as American War Independence. Okay, a new nation known as the United States of America. That is, we call that USA. With the federal government, written constitution and based on the principles of democracy was born. What is this event? The American War of Independence. In 1776, to 1781 that event is occur. Where at in country America. Imperialist European countries established colonies in different regions of America. Okay, and then England established 13 colonies on the east coast of America. England laid oppressive restriction and taxes on this colony. What they do? They put on the restrictions. They put the restriction and taxes on these 13 colonies, which created discontent and the people revolted. George Washington led the American army in the war against England. George Washington was the leader of the American army in the war against England. The colonies won the war. The colonies won the war. Who was the leader? George Washington. And a new nation is formed there. Which nation? USA, that is United States of America. And it had a federal government, written constitution, and was based on the principle of democracy. Okay. Here we complete the American War of Independence. Now we see the French Revolution. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism, and established a republic. Okay, monarchy means Rajshahi. And feudalism. What is feudalism? You know, feudalism. I explain the feudalism. Feudalism means the dominant social system in which the nobility held land. The nobility held land from the crown in the exchange for military service. The vassals means servant. Their servant were in turn of tenants, means rent, bhadekuru, of the noble, while the peasant means our farmer were obliged to live on their lord lands. They live on their lord lands and give him the homage, labor, and share of the share of their produce in exchange of nationality. In Marathi we say kar, saranjamshahi. In Marathi we say this saranjamshahi. Okay, you understand that? Feudalism means saranjamshahi, and established a republic. This event is known as French Revolution. The French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay, in the world history, among the political revolution, the American War of Independence and French Revolution have a very important place. Okay, in French Revolution, it was a revolt by people of France against the injustice and uncontrolled monarchy and feudalism. Their people is against for what? Unjust and uncontrolled monarchy and feudalism, means they are against to Rajshahi or Saranjamshahi. The people established the republic, and it gave three values. Which values? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay, now we see Industrial Revolution. Here we see Industrial Revolution means Audyogik Kranti. In the latter period of 18th century, after the 18th century, there were many technologies innovation in Europe. There was a production with the help of machines running on steam. The cottage industries were replaced by big factories. Machines came to be used instead of handlooms. Railway and steamer became the mode of transportation. The age of machines began, and that is known as Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution began in England and then spread in other parts of West. During this period, England enjoyed the industrial prosperity and came to the described the word factory. Okay, production was started with the help of machines running on steam. Okay, and handlooms were replaced by power looms. The cottage industries were replaced by the factories. The steamer railway became mode of transportation. Industrial revolution first started in England and spread to other parts of West. England enjoyed the industrial prosperity and came to be known as world factory. Here we complete in industrial revolution.